Kumusta po kayo mga kaibigan? And welcome to another episode ng Live Pinoy Style. Kung napanood niyo po ang episode namin last week, ang Live Pinoy Style po is on a road trip dito sa Midwest. Ang first destination, Lake Geneva, dito sa Wisconsin. Bukod po sa pagiging popular resort at tourist destination, historical din po ang Lake Geneva. The place was first inhabited by the Oneota Indian tribes. But as far back as the 1800s, Geneva Lake has attracted many prominent and wealthy families from Chicago. Hindi naman ganun kalaki ang lawa kung ikukumpara sa Lake Michigan. It's only about 3 miles wide and 9 miles long. But the charm of the place is irresistible. Over the centuries, mansions have been built around the lake, first as summer homes of the rich and famous, and later on as permanent residences, especially after the Great Chicago Fire of 1871. Dr. Philip Maxwell, ang tinaguriang father of Lake Geneva, was in fact a prominent and wealthy Chicago surgeon. Siya ang nagpatayo ng kauna-unahang mansyon sa Lake Geneva, na ngayon ay isa ng bed and breakfast. Meron po tayong mga kababayan dito who have moved in this area and have been very successful. Isa na rito ang pamilya ng Viveros. Dr. Manny Vivero is a pediatrician na tubong Dulag, Leyte. 1984 nang mag-immigrate sa Amerika si Dr. Vivero, kasama ang kanyang asawang si Nora na isang medical technologist at 2 anak. They first settled in the New York, New Jersey area, pero noong 2003 po, then, with the 3 children, the Viveros moved to Lake Geneva. Hello, Dr. Vivero.
Hi, Ron.
Mrs. Nora.
Hi, Ron.
Kumusta po kayo?
Mabuti.
Ako, napakaganda ng Lake Geneva. Napakaganda ng lugar niyo dito, di ba?
Nagtempo ka, magandang panahon.
Oo.
We have been here for like 15 years now. We moved from the East Coast, New Jersey, New York.
Bakit nyo naisipang lumipat dito sa Lake
I
Geneva?
have to move my practice here. I'm a pediatrician here in Lake Geneva and in Delavan.
Kumusta naman ang Lake Geneva pagdating ng winter?
Normally, the population here is like 7,000. But during summer or spring, it quadruples like to 28,000.
Yeah.
And these are all like
Tourists from
tourists
Napakaganda.
from different areas, mostly from Illinois actually.
Ilan ang kayo ba may mga anak?
Meron, 3. 2 lalaki, 1 babae.
Nasa Indiana ngayon.
Malalaki na lahat.
Tapos na, eldest namin, tapos ng Fine Arts sa Oklahoma University. He is a graphic designer, a webmaster, and he is working in Illinois. And my second daughter is Maurice. You will see her later.
Yeah.
At yung pangatlo?
The 3rd one is in Europe right now. He is
Wow.
in class 3 from his history class.
Ang galing naman,
Yeah.
ang galing naman.
Yeah.
Tita, medtech kayo by profession, di ba? Pero you're not working now?
No, not
Ano nang
anymore.
ginagawa mo?
Plain housewife, cooking every day for my husband who comes home every lunch.
Talaga? Very nice.
Most of the time, I cook fish and vegetables because that's what he loves to eat. And only once in a while, I make meat, especially for the children.
Eh ngayon, sa episode natin, what are you going to share with us today?
Oh, I'm sharing my fish egg roll, my macaroons, and barbecue, pork
Nice.
barbecue.
Nakakagutom na yan, ha?
You better taste it later on.
Okay, okay. At mga kababayan, for the rest of the program, I will be sharing with you recipes na meron din pong seafood to complement Nora's Fish Lumpia. We'll have more kwentuhan with the Viveros dito sa napakagandang Lake Geneva.